Hi there. So this morning I was listening to a podcast between Adam Grant and Alison Felix. Adam Grant is, of course, the celebrated author and podcaster and professor at Wharton. But Alison Felix is the most decorated track and field athlete in the U.S. and very recently in the Tokyo Olympics she won her ninth medal, which is unprecedented. And at the age of 35, when most sprinters, track and field athletes have long retired, she came back and won another gold medal. And this was her ninth overall medal. And all this after becoming a mom recently, after starting her own sportswear company, because a popular brand decided to cut ties with her when she was expecting her child. Now, this story is not about Alison Felix, of course. This is about the team behind her coach. So what she was talking about is that at the peak of her prowess, at the time when everybody thinks that she is the best in the world, she looks up to her coach. She needs a coach. And that reminded me that all of us need a coach, whether we are the best in what we do or we are on our way to become the best in what we do. We do need a coach. So, who needs a coach? Why do we need a coach? How do we find a coach? And what if we want to become a coach? All these questions and many more similar questions I wanted to explore on my channel Manage Better. And tomorrow, that is 13th of November at 11 a.m. Indian Standard Time, I will be speaking to Gauri Ramani, who is one of India's top executive coaches. And she's a board member of ICF and extremely celebrated coach. And I will explore all these questions with her. So, if you're interested in executive coaching, want to know how you can hire a coach or how you can become one, please join the show. It will be live on LinkedIn, YouTube, and Facebook as always. 13th of November, 11 a.m. Indian Standard Time. All the joining links will be in the comment section below. See you there.